Yeah. Look at her, she looks so cute. The little baller. Is she yours?
She's a fashion sense.
I know, I love her little sparkly hat and the way she wears it. Attitude.
These are
We're trying to
really need a big, small lunch for your mama.
Are you working every day?
I want to learn to do that. I've
Doing
always
fine.
learned to do that.
Hey, it's never too late. I didn't throw my first piece, I was 32.
Wow. Go ahead.
So what's the hardest thing to learn when trying to do that?
Just the pressure that it takes. It's like this weird trinity of pressure, speed, and water. And it's just something that you learn through repetition, really. Like what you do with your hands, the way you manipulate it and stretch it into shapes. You know, those techniques can be taught. And you know, the pressure is kind of like trying to teach somebody how to balance on a bike. You know, you really can't communicate that the right way. It's just something that people figure out on their own, you know? And that's kind of the same way with this too, you know? It's a little different for everybody. I mean, the concepts are there, but it's about taking that concept and actually being able to, you know, apply it in the real world. That's a little weird, so.
Yeah, so this stuff is loving something. Look at that. Look how he's lighting it.
The little line I put in there because these are going to be inscription bowls, so they'll have writing around them, like the one that's on display there. So it's kind of like a line for me to write with. That way I don't dribble down inside the bowl with the words that I'm going with.
Chairman, come on please.
Then how many your stuff you put at the mall to display your words?
But how much stuff he's making? You know what?
Hey, hang on. Questions are welcome. If you got them, just toss them out, all right?
many bowls do you make in a day?
If I were to make these all day, I'd do about 12 in an hour maybe. With the bowls, it's I'm really finicky about creating a nice curve on the inside. You know, some of them now, the shape looks a little off on the outside, but that will be trimmed to match the nice curve of the inside too. So it needs extra clay in certain spots to be able to hold and retain its shape too. Like when you start looking at stuff like this, it kind of comes out and then ducks in. A lot of this clay here in that little area will get shaved off, but just to support the weight of that bowl and the pressure that I put on it when I lay that edge out, that's most of why that extra clay is there. That took a long time to figure out. You start laying down rims and everything just collapses and you're just like, what is going on? What is happening here? And then you kind of go, oh, I need to make this structurally sound.
Yeah, but I see them how they.
Y'all questions, shall we? What about me, dog? They don't have to be about pottery.
These are ones must have imperfections or something in it.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, Benny.
That is